guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm going to be showing you the new Apple Watch Series 6. Here's a picture of it, and you can get it in blue or red, and right here it'll be blue or red, and it's not just a band, so it's actually the display, which is pretty cool, and let's get right into it.
The insulin pack attached to my side. I feel like I don't have type 1 when I'm competing now.
Well, watchOS 7 can now measure a full range of VO2 max, which is a powerful predictor of your overall health.
I'm unboxing the Apple Watch Series 6 product red, and let's see how it looks. I'm opening it right now. Let's see it. Here's the box. There's the band that the Apple Watch comes with. You can also buy a different band if you want to, or you could use your Series 5 or Series 4 band for this Apple Watch as well. Both are the same size, and on my left there's the Series 4, and on my right there's the Series 6. The Series 6 is gonna be booting up now, and then we're gonna install our apps, and yes. You can see the difference in sensors because the Series 6 has blood oxygen monitoring. This is how it looks when you have it on. I'm measuring the blood oxygen. It also has elevation, so you can see as I raise my hand, the elevation data is changing.